how many parts are in there.
You're not in it.
Actually, almost none of it. Hold that thing, you know.
You're not in it. Maybe your arm is in it. You're not in it. You'll see it. You can see it.
Hold it, because I don't want to go sliding off, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's a wolfie job.
You were pulling like a fucking ape pulling a fucking weed out of the ground.
Pulling a banana off a tree.
It doesn't give no slack on it, it just pulls it, jerks it right out of the fucking hole.
We're gonna take Debbie's idea now.
Yeah. After the fact.